Cooking techniques vary, and while heating generally preserves proteins, fats, and minerals, it can enhance the bioavailability of carbohydrates. Some water-soluble vitamins, like vitamin C, and fat-soluble vitamins, such as vitamin A, may be lost during heating, but utilizing cooking liquids like broth or gravy helps retain significant amounts, minimizing nutrient loss. Here are some cooking techniques: dry heat cooking, including roasting and grilling; moist heat cooking, such as boiling, steaming, and poaching; and combination cooking, which involves methods like braising and stewing. Broiling cooks food by transferring extremely high heat onto food items. In this process, browning can swiftly take place, effectively locking in juices and flavor while producing a crunchy outer layer. Best for meat, poultry, fish, fruits, and vegetables. Grilling is similar to broiling because grills use radiant heat to cook food quickly. It involves cooking food over an open flame or heat source. Like broiling, grilling can lead to the formation of HCAs and PAHs, especially when cooking meats at high temperatures or over an open flame. To reduce potential risks, some experts recommend marinating meat, pre-cooking in the microwave, or using lean cuts to minimize fat drippings and flare-ups. Best for burgers, meat, poultry, and fish. In sautéing, food is quickly cooked in a small amount of fat over high heat. This method cooks food quickly, so keep the food moving by tossing or flipping. Best for meat, poultry, fish, fruits, and vegetables. Frying food is immersed in hot oil or fat until it's cooked through and develops a crispy exterior. Best for meat, poultry, fish, and vegetables. Baking uses dry heat in an enclosed space, like an oven, to cook food. It's used for bread, cakes, cookies, and casseroles. Roasting is similar to baking, but typically used for meat or poultry. It's done at higher temperatures to create a browned crust. Best for meat, poultry, fruits, and vegetables. Sous vide, meaning under vacuum, is a cooking technique that involves placing food sealed in a vacuum bag into a heated water bath to slow cook it. Best for meat, poultry, fish, and eggs. Boiling involves immersing food in a liquid and heating it until it reaches its boiling point. Best for pasta, eggs, and vegetables. Poaching is a gentle cooking method where food, often delicate items like eggs, fish, or poultry, is submerged in simmering or gently boiling liquid, such as water, broth. Simmering is a gentle method of cooking food that utilizes higher temperatures than poaching, usually between 180 degrees and 205 degrees Fahrenheit. Steaming food is cooked by placing it above boiling water in a covered container. This method helps retain nutrients and flavors. Best for fish, vegetables, and desserts. In the process of braising, food is initially seared in a well-oiled hot pan before being transferred to a larger pot to cook in heated liquid. Best for meat, legumes, and vegetables. Stewing is a cooking method that simmers food in liquid, typically in a covered pot. This gentle and slow cooking process helps tenderize tougher cuts of meat. Regardless of the method, overcooking can lead to nutrient loss, reduced flavor, and undesirable texture. It's important to follow cooking times and temperatures carefully.